Hi, I'm Ty Steinbrecher, Tech Service Manager at Boss Snowplow. Boss Tech Service Team is here to back you up. Today we're going to be walking you through an install on a 2023 Ford Super Duty, focusing on that wiring harness. That 16-pin Molex plug on the Ford side of things is kind of difficult to find, so we'll walk you through locating that plug and make sure you get a nice clean wiring harness install. We'll start out by removing the passenger side front tire to gain access to the inner fender well liner. We'll drop that liner down out of the way so we can access the 16-pin Molex plug. We'll drop the Boss wiring harness down next to the air box. That allows us plenty of access to the 16-pin Ford Molex plug and make that connection. Then we'll take our Boss wiring harness, go over to the top of the radiator, make our battery and solenoid connections. Pass it through to the firewall. We hope you found this video helpful today. As always, the Boss Tech Service Team is here to back you up.